Okay, what are you girls scared of?
Pictures!
No, not pictures. What did you say that you saw?
A spider.
Where is it?
It's up there.
Where?
Right there.
Are you?
It's at the end now.
Are you tricking me?
No.
Are you tricking me?
No.
What are you doing?
It was really up there.
Are you sure? Lily, did you see a spider?
Yeah, I did like, and I saw it, and I moved quickly. Was it big or small, Lily?
Was it big or small, Lily?
It was small, and it goes down. Was it poisonous?
It growed and growed and growed?
Yeah.
Was it poisonous?
Mm-hmm.
Show me how you know. How do you know it was poisonous?
Because I didn't see it, but she did.
Oh, I see. Lily, how do you know that it was poisonous?
Did you see dots on it?
Did you see dots on it?
Yeah.
Mmm.
So that means it's a poisonous.
So what color was the spider?
Pink.
Pink?
Mm-hmm.
Pink with dots?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. That's a very interesting spider. I never saw.
Yellow with dots?
Could have been yellow. Was it yellow with dots?
I said it was pink.
Oh, pink with what color were the dots?
What color dots? Yellow.
Yellow. Pink with yellow dots. What were the dots?
Brown and yellow.
Brown and yellow. What were the dots shaped like?
Don't.
What were they shaped like? Hearts?
They were shaped like snakes.
Oh, they were shaped like similar to those snakes that we have right there.
Mm-hmm. Were they a square or circle?
Were they square or circle or snake shaped?
Snake shaped.